In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Opera's built-in free VPN for enhanced privacy and unrestricted browsing. First, launch your Opera browser on your computer. Once it's open, you'll need to navigate to the browser settings. Look for the Opera icon, which appears at the top left corner of your browser window. Click on that icon to reveal the drop-down menu. From the menu options, select Settings, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt+P to access it directly. This will take you to the Opera settings interface where you can customize various browser features. Now, within the settings page, you'll find the VPN configuration settings. You can also use the search bar at the top of the settings page and simply type VPN to quickly locate this feature. So, click VPN from Settings menu. Once you've found the VPN option, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click this toggle to activate the VPN functionality. After enabling it, you'll notice several customization options become available. One particularly useful setting is a Connect to VPN when starting browser, which automatically activates the VPN each time you launch Opera. So, enable this if you want the VPN to activate automatically every time you open Opera. Take a moment to review the other available settings and adjust them according to your preferences. If you require additional features or more server locations, Opera also offers a premium VPN Pro service. You can sign up for this directly from the same panel if you're interested in the enhanced capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.